To use your RoamRig system, and this is a light that we have shining right now, it's not a light in the van. To use your RoamRig system, you need to turn the house battery switch on. The house battery switch used to be at your sliding door and it's been moved to the control panel. It controls whether the 12-volt loads to everything, lights, fridge, heater, USB ports, whether all those loads work. So when you turn the house battery switch on, you'll hear the fan beep, and then your lights will work. When the house battery switch is off, it's normal for the S-bar code reader and for the Victron battery gauge to be on. If you need to raise your bed up and down, you have a very simple labeled bed switch. If you need to turn the inverter on, turn the inverter switch on, and you're going to hear a beep immediately. And then after about 10 seconds, you're going to hear another click, which is the inverter actually turning on. Once that occurs, all of your 120 volt outlets, your stove, your air conditioner, those will all work. The 120 volt water heater can only be run from shore power. The one place monitor, which is reused from your old van, functions exactly the same. The only difference is on battery level, it will no longer show chassis battery voltage. That's normal. You'll now get your chassis battery voltage from the Victron gauge. The water pump switch still works. The tank level switch still works. The battery level still functions, but I would not use that for anything. You're going to want to use the Victron gauge and the Victron app for all of your battery monitoring. So the one place becomes only a control for your water pump and for your tank levels.